Hi friends, today we're doing a craft with my husband video. We went to the Dollar Tree together and he found a few items that inspired him to create this super easy, simple craft. I mean, he's a tech guy, so he doesn't really do a lot of crafty things. So for him to come up with this, I thought was pretty good. So let's just go ahead and jump right into it. All right, so what are we doing first? He has the sand and he's gonna pour it into here. Beautiful.
I'm gonna put the candle in.
All right, now we're gonna plop a candle in here, or some more sand. Very nice, nice and beachy and coastal. It looks gorgeous. So beachy, coastal, and perfect for the summer. And then this topper actually is from a separate candle that he also got from Dollar Tree, but it fits perfectly on the top of this jar, so I think he's gonna keep it on top of the jar. So that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching this super short video. And let me know in the comments below how my husband did. Give this video a thumbs up for him and all of his effort. And I will see you all in my next video. Happy crafting and huge hugs.